Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Rueben with today's consult. I get a lot of questions from parents about ADHD, and their concern is whether or not they should use medication to treat the disorder. And so I thought I'd talk today about ADHD and some of the things you might want to think about. So ADHD is a neurodevelopmental disorder, and all that means is that the part of your brain that controls impulses is underperforming. The typical treatment, if you go to your family doctor, is going to be a stimulant. So they're going to be using Ritalin or Adderall or something along those lines to stimulate the part of your brain that helps you control impulses. But there's actually not a lot of long-term impact or benefit from that medicine. We don't believe that it does much for you long-term. It does help the symptoms in the short term, but long-term it's not going to have a lot of effect. And there is some concern about what that medicine might be doing to a child's developing brain. So if you're one of those parents who wants to attack ADHD without using the medication, here's a couple of things you might want to consider. First, get your child outside. There's evidence to suggest that actually being outside in the elements, going outside to play, is beneficial and will help them control their symptoms. Actually learning to play an instrument, so getting them into piano lessons or learn to play the guitar. Again, something that we have found has helped young people control their ADHD symptoms. You probably have also heard of mindfulness. Mindfulness is one of those ideas that has been thrown around a lot. It's actually a kind of a cool idea right now, and all it means is learning to be present in the current moment, learning to be mindful about what's happening right now. It basically helps you to slow yourself down. You can use things like Tai Chi and yoga or meditation in order to practice mindfulness. Eating healthy, that's a big one. So if you remove fast food, processed food, food coloring from your child's diet, we've actually seen evidence that that will help them with their ADHD symptoms. A big one is going to be getting rest. If you want to help your child maintain a healthy disposition, control their ADHD symptoms, you need to make sure they're going to bed on time, getting a proper amount of rest. And then the last one I would suggest is doing things to help them create order. So creating lists, to-do lists, this is when I'm going to get my homework done, this is when I'm going to clean my room, that kind of stuff. These are all tips that could help you have some real impact on your ADHD symptoms. Try these with your child. If that doesn't work, you can also try taking them to behavioral therapy. So that's all we've got for today. Listen, if you found this video helpful, do me a favor and hit the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell. That will send notifications to your phone. So for today's consult, I'm Dr. Rueben, and this is House Call.